Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the updated process of exiting and reporting a WhatsApp community. Whether you're looking to leave a community that no longer interests you, or you've encountered inappropriate content, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. Once you're in, look for the Communities tab at the bottom of your screen. It's the icon that looks like a collection of people. Give it a tap to access all your communities. Now, scroll through your list of communities and select the one you want to leave and report. This will take you to the community's main page. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Community Info. This will bring up all the details about the community. Here's where things get interesting. Scroll down through the community info until you reach the bottom. You'll find an option that says Report Community. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, pay close attention to this next step. You'll see a checkbox next to Exit Community. Make sure you tick this box if you want to leave the community as well as report it. This is crucial because it ensures you won't continue to receive messages from a community you're reporting. Finally, once you've checked that box, hit the Report button. And just like that, you've successfully exited and reported the WhatsApp community. Remember, reporting a community helps keep WhatsApp safe for everyone. Only do this if you genuinely believe there's inappropriate content or behavior within the community. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.